Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties here for your Monday Maui market update on July 23rd, 2018. Today I am out in the field, quite literally, and wanted to talk to you about something super important when you are considering purchasing a piece of vacant land here in Hawaii. One of the most important things is to know what kind of water source the property has. In a previous update, I talked about the different types that are available to you, but specifically the water source will determine what and how much you can build, along with the applicable county building codes and regulations. So first thing you want to know is, does your lot have county water to it, a county water meter? Depending on the size of the water meter, standard size water meter is 5/8 of an inch, you get a certain amount of fixture credits. So on a 5/8 inch water meter, generally pretty comfortably you can build a moderate sized house and a cottage if zoning permits it, but you wouldn't be able to build, say, a palace, 18 bedrooms, 15 baths, 9,000 square foot house with that sort of water limitation. And when it comes to private water, like a private well or a catchment system, those things you're not limited by the fixture count. So that's one positive. But you also need to make sure that the property that you want to purchase is in a location where one of those systems would work. Wells can be very costly and very lengthy in time to get approval to be able to dig for them. And catchment is entirely dependent on rainfall. Obviously, where I'm standing right now, which is super arid North Kihei, is not going to work for having enough rainfall come down to provide you with daily drinking water and water for other things that you would need for a house. So those are just a couple tips of how the water system is vitally important to find out well in advance prior to purchasing a property, and then understand all the implications and potential limitations on how you can build. Of course, for any further questions and more detail, give me a ring anytime. Now, here is this week's Best Buy. This week's Best Buy is more of a super intriguing, unique property that just hit the market today. It's 47 Ohukai Road in North Kihei, just over an acre of land, a block from the beach, and it has a brand new custom 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home of about 1,500 square feet. The home is eco-friendly, has super solid 2x6 construction, and is well insulated. What's also really interesting about this lot is that the County of Maui has reserved 6 addresses for any future builds or a possible subdivision. And along with a county water meter, the lot has its own private water well. So the whole property is offered at $2,097,000, and I think it's a very super interesting buy. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today, Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties, for yet another Monday Maui market update. I hope you have a terrific week, and in the meantime, give me a ring at 808-250-0840 with any of your real estate inquiries. I look forward to seeing you next week. Aloha from Maui.